What if you could turn your spare change into a growing investment portfolio? That's the core promise of Acorns, the micro-investing app famous for its roundups feature. But unlike a lot of financial apps, Acorns isn't free. You're looking at a subscription fee that typically lands between $3 and $12 a month. So, the big question is, are those monthly fees worth it? Is Acorns a smart move for your money, or are you just paying for convenience? Today, we're breaking down the Acorns fee structure and figuring out exactly when this app pays for itself. First, let's look at the fees themselves. Acorns uses a flat fee model, not a percentage of your assets. They offer tiered subscription plans, often called bronze, silver, and gold. The bronze plan, usually around $3 a month, is your basic package. It gets you the main features, an individual taxable investment account, the signature roundups, which automatically invests your spare change, and a checking account. If you're brand new to investing and mainly use the app for those small, automatic deposits, this is the one you'll start with. The silver plan, typically $6 a month, builds on bronze by adding an IRA retirement account, the Acorns later feature, and often a higher APY on your checking and emergency savings accounts. This is for users who are ready to start thinking about retirement alongside their regular investing. Finally, the gold plan, which can be $9 to $12 a month, offers the full suite. It includes everything in silver, plus a custodial investment account for kids called Acorns Early, and sometimes valuable perks like life insurance or estate planning tools. This is the family-focused, all-in-one financial hub. Now, for the verdict, is it worth it? The answer heavily depends on your account balance. This is the critical math. Because the fee is flat, it's a much higher percentage of a small account than a large one. For instance, paying $3 a month on a $500 balance works out to over 7% annually just in fees. You'd be hard-pressed to beat that in investment returns. However, on an account balance of $10,000, that same $3 a month is only a small fraction of a percent, much lower than many traditional robo-advisors. So, Acorns is likely not worth it if you only plan to deposit spare change and your total account value will remain low, say, under a couple $1,000s for a long time. The fees will severely eat into your returns. Acorns is worth it if you struggle to save regularly. The roundup automation is incredibly powerful for building a habit without thinking about it. For some, the fee is worth the psychological trick of making saving effortless. You use the higher tier features. If you actively use the Acorns Later IRA, the checking account with its perks, or the Acorns Early account for your kids, the combined value of those services often justifies the monthly cost. You have a larger balance. Once your account grows past a certain point, that flat fee becomes negligible. In short, Acorns is a fantastic tool for getting started, building saving discipline, and consolidating accounts, but you need to be an active, consistent investor to make sure the value of the features outweighs that flat monthly expense. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.